So hello students, Delhi University CSAS U26 CSAS phase 3 allocation explained in detail step by step what you need to do. Now what happens in allocation? The highest possible preference will be provisionally allocated to a candidate considering the following criteria: program specific merit, category, availability of seats. The merit list for the unreserved category seats will comprise of all candidates including all the categories in order of merit. Now, seat allocation, admission, acceptance of the provisionally allocated seats, understand it very carefully what you need to do in the phase 3. Log into your CSAS dashboard once the allocation results are announced. Accept your allocated seat before the deadline for that allocation round. Remember that. No action means seat declined. If you don't accept the seat on time, you will be out of all subsequent regular CSAS allocation rounds. Second round से बाहर हो जाओगे if you do not accept the seat. Let's say first allocation में अगर आपको कुछ seat मिला है, right? So to participate in subsequent rounds, candidate must accept the allocated seat within the stipulated time. Now this is the time. Declaration of first CSAS allocation list from 5 p.m. Thursday, July 16, 2026. Candidates to accept the allocated seat 5 p.m. Thursday, July 16, 2026 till 11:59 p.m. Saturday, July 18, 2026. College to verify and approve the online applications. This is the timeline. Remember this timeline. Note it down. Last date of online payment of fees by candidates till 11:59 p.m. Tuesday, 21st of July, 2026. Please note down these times, these timelines. Okay, dates proper. Now, online approval by the college. After you accept the seat, the allotted college verifies minimum eligibility, program specific eligibility, subject mapping, uploaded document certificates. The college may raise a query if additional information or clarification is required. So keep on logging to your CSAS dashboard at university on a daily basis, 2, 3, 4 times a day now. Okay, you cannot be careless in this. After verification, the college will either approve your admission or reject the provisional allocation. Once the college approves your admission, pay the admission fee within the specified deadline. Missing the fee payment deadline means admission cancelled. You lose the allotted seat and cannot participate in any subsequent regular CSAS allocation rounds. So if your application is rejected, the college will provide the reason. Common reasons for rejections are minimum eligibility not met, or program specific eligibility not met, subject mapping criteria not fulfilled, invalid or incorrect document certificates, failure to respond the college query within the deadline. Remember this, college query. So candidate must regularly check their dashboard and respond to queries, if any, raised by the college within the stipulated time. Remember this. Respond to college queries, if any, through your CSAS dashboard within the deadline. No response means seat rejected and exit from CSAS 2026. Admission is confirmed only after successful payment of the admission fee. Failure to pay the fee on time will result in seat cancellation and disqualification from subsequent regular CSAS allocation rounds. After fee payment, admitted candidates can choose either to upgrade for a higher preference or freeze, keep the current seat if you are satisfied with your seat. Candidates allotted their first preference cannot opt for upgrade. Obviously, upgrade is always above. So first preference means there is no preference above. If upgraded, your current seat is automatically cancelled and the newly allotted higher preference becomes your seat. So if you want to upgrade, the preferences above obviously should have to be better preferred course and college combination as per your own personal preferences, right? You cannot downgrade. Okay, below वाली सारी preference list delete हो जाती है. In upgrade option, you can also reorder the program college combinations that were higher in preference than the allotted one. The upgrade option will not be available for the candidate who was allotted his or first preference. A candidate who gets upgrade will have to accept the upgrade seat. Remember, so that is why अगर आपने ऊपर कुछ ऐसा preference रखा है जो आपको नहीं पसंद है, तो you might have to freeze it. And if let's say you are upgraded to that, if you do not like it, you are upgraded to that, तो आपको accept करना पड़ता है, option नहीं है, right? If you choose upgrade option. Program plus college combinations which were below in the preference order at which the candidate has taken admission earlier will never be offered again to the candidate in any subsequent regular allocation rounds. So allocation round 1, 2, right? These are regular allocation rounds. If you get upgraded, your current seat is automatically cancelled. The upgrade seat is auto accepted, and your previously paid fees automatically adjusted. If the upgrade course has a higher admission fee, you must pay the difference within the deadline. If you do not get upgraded, your admission to the current seat remains unchanged. कोई टेंशन नहीं है, तो upgrade option लेना चाहिए if you have made your preference sheet properly. And if you do not get upgraded, your admission to the current seat remains unchanged. Failure to pay the differential fees, upgrade seat cancelled and exit from CSAS. Remember, ध्यान से ये steps को समझना है. Freeze option is also there. Choose freeze if you want to keep your current allotted seat. If you are satisfied, once you freeze, you cannot opt for upgrade later. Your current program plus college is permanently locked. You will not be considered for any further allocation or upgrade rounds. So, advice is candidates must freeze their admission only if they are satisfied with the allocated seat and do not want to be considered for subsequent allocations. If you choose neither upgrade nor freeze, remain inactive, your current admission will be retained. You will not be considered for any upgrade in subsequent allocation rounds. Subsequent allocation rounds are conducted based on vacant seats arising from rejections, cancellations and withdrawals. All admitted candidates who opt for upgrade option will be considered for the subsequent CSAS UG 26 allocation rounds subject to availability of seats. Candidates allotted their first preference in any round will not be considered for further allocation rounds. So, this is declaration of second CSAS allocation 12 noon Saturday July 25, 2026. Candidates to accept the allocated seat Saturday July 25, 2026 till 11:59 p.m. Sunday July 26, 2026. Call is to verify and approve the online applications. This is the timeline and last date of online payment for second round of CSAS allocation. This is the timeline. Remember this. All the best, and please do comment what college course combination you have been allotted. All the best. God bless you and thank you.